Harbor Freight is having their spring Black Friday sale right now, today and tomorrow. So I wanted to make this video to highlight a couple of items that I personally think are a phenomenal value for all of you car detailing and car enthusiasts out there. Now they have 5 pages of different deals, so just make sure to go to their website and go to the little Black Friday sale tab there and click on that and you can browse all of them. But let's go ahead and jump into the key items that I think are of extreme value, starting with number 1, and that is going to be the Portland electric pressure washer. Now this thing is rated at 1750 PSI, 1.3 GPM. I've done multiple tests with this unit in the past. There's actually 2 stock numbers that are associated with this pressure washer. One of them got phenomenal results and the other one just got good results. But at the current sale price of $69.99, no matter which one you get, it's a fantastic value. Now the components that pressure washer come with aren't great, but the motor itself seems to be really good. I like it a lot. So with that said, just make sure you upgrade your components, upgrade your hose, because the hose it comes with isn't great, the wand it comes with isn't great. Upgrade that stuff and you'll have a fantastic little backup unit or primary unit if you're on a budget. I'll link the video up here for you guys on all the upgrades that I like and also the initial review of that pressure washer. Now item number 2, again, phenomenal value here, and this is all for all you guys that are either wanting to get into polishing your car or for all of you that are already polishing your car but want a backup polisher just in case. And the Bauer long throw polisher, I believe this thing's a 20mm throw, which is a little bit of a weird number, but I believe it's a 20mm throw, is currently on sale also for $69.99. So 70 bucks for a long throw polisher. Crazy value here, guys. Absolutely phenomenal. Now, I don't have a lot of hands-on experience with this machine personally, but I've seen a bunch of other reviews and people say it's a decent polisher. Like, especially if you upgrade some of the grease inside, you get really good results with it. And at 70 bucks, like, come on, that's incredible. Now, number 3 on the list, also a phenomenal value. This is going to be the Central Machinery Steam Cleaner. I just did a review on this, comparing it with the McCulloch and also a Wagner steamer. This thing's fantastic. It gets great results, easy to get. You can get it at your local Harbor Freight, and it is currently on sale for $99.99. So that is $30 off their normal price. It's a great little steam cleaner. If you get it, you're gonna enjoy it. The only issue I had with it is it does spit out a little bit of water between use. When you pull the trigger, you let it go, it'll kind of drip out some water, but very easy to work around. Not a big deal, and at 100 bucks, if you want a steam cleaner to get into it and see how it works, see if it's really usable for you, this one at 100 bucks is an incredible option. Item number 4, this one's more of a general use case, but it also can be dedicated for detailing, and that is going to be a Bauer drill. This is a 20-volt cordless kit, so you get the drill itself, a battery, and the charger, all for $48.99. Now, why am I talking about a drill in a car detailing video? Well, because you can get the drill brush attachments. That's a little drill head that taps into the front of the drill, and you can clean upholstery, carpets, all that kind of stuff. You can even get a more extensive kit where it has different strengths of the bristle of the brush. You can clean grout and all that. Just it's very useful tool. Highly recommend it. If you don't have a drill for it, I have dedicated drills that I use that a drill brush is always on. This is a great way to do it. At $48.99, it's cheap enough where you can keep that thing dedicated just with your drill brush on it all the time. So item number 5 is actually going to be 2 different units, but this is their portable generators. First one up is the Predator 3500 watt. This is the one that I personally use in both of my detailing vehicles, in my truck and in my van. These things work fantastic. They power a ton of stuff. They even have an electric start, so you don't have to just pull the cord. You can just push a button and it starts right up. Really great generator. And they're listing these at $120 off, so that brings it down to $779. Now option number 2 in the same category is their smaller unit of this. This is going to be a 1400 watt generator. Both of these are the super quiet type inverter generators, so you don't have to worry about it. They stay nice and quiet and you can power electronics with them. They have a pure clean sine wave that goes through them. Now this one I haven't personally used. It's a little bit lower on the wattage than I personally would like. You'll definitely be able to get a lot done, but consider like certain pressure washers are gonna be right at that 1400 watts. So just for your detailing needs, it may not be enough, but for around the house as a backup option, this may be good. And at $90 off, it brings it down to $379. So again, just a fantastic price for a quiet generator. Item number 6 is going to be work gloves. These are the 7mm nitrile powder-free work gloves. 7mm is fantastic. You're not gonna be poking through as you're working. It's not gonna be just completely ripping through and then your fingers are exposed again. These ones are fantastic and they are currently on sale 53% off, bringing the price down to $5.99 for a box. Go stock up on these things, guys. That's a phenomenal value. I remember at the beginning of the whole pandemic, these things were completely out of stock. You could not get them. When they came back in, they were like 25 bucks or something. So if you can pick these up now for $6 a box, go stock up. And for our final item, this is going to be a floor jack. You never know when you're detailing a car if you want to pull off the wheels to do a full ceramic coating on the inside of the barrel of the wheel, all that kind of stuff. Or if you're just working around your house and you need a jack for your car, this is a great option. This is actually the one that I use in my shop, and this is the Pittsburgh 3-ton floor jack. Currently on sale, $40 off, bringing it down to 99 bucks for a fantastic low profile floor jack. So really hard to beat there. Definitely check that one out as well. Like I said, guys, those are the essentially 7 items that I'm highlighting that I think are phenomenal. I would go get right away. But again, there are a ton of other deals on there as well. There's some vacuums, there's some other stuff on there. So again, go to harborfreight.com, go to their little Black Friday spring sale thing there. This video is not sponsored in any way. I have no affiliation with Harbor Freight. I really just wanted to communicate some fantastic deals that I see coming across to you guys. So again, I don't usually post on Saturdays, but I wanted to make sure you guys got this so you can take advantage of it today and tomorrow at harborfreight.com or in your local store. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you all have a great weekend. Please make sure to like the video, make sure you're subscribed, turn on the notification bell, and we'll see you on the next one.